Hey guys, I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving yesterday. Today's Black Friday. I don't do any shopping on Black Friday, so I thought I'd take a look and figure out what was wrong with the BMW. On the last video, you saw that I still had that ticking noise and it just didn't sound right, so I wanted to try to figure out what it was. So I took the oil fill cap out and just kind of shined the flashlight down in there, and I noticed I had two studs didn't have nuts on them, which are these two right here. And so that is for the upper timing chain tensioner. And so I looked around and sure enough, I don't know if I can get it in there. I see one of the nuts is down in the bottom of the timing cover, or the upper timing cover, behind the exhaust sprocket or the exhaust cam. And I haven't been able to find the other one, so I'm going to drop the oil pan today and see if it's sitting down there on the bottom. If not, I have to take everything apart again to find that one nut. It is what it is. All right, so I've got the oil pan off, and right there in that corner is the missing nut. So luckily it's not inside the block somewhere, which I was worried about. I'm going to double check a few things before I bolt the oil pan back on from where we did the timing guide chain, or the timing chain guides replaced. Just make sure everything's torqued again, especially those bottom nuts or those bottom bolts that go to that bottom timing case. So we'll just keep looking at it, trying to figure out why it's still making that ticking noise. All right, so I had the valve cover off and I was looking at this Vanos oil distribution, well, oil distributor is what they call it, and I had oil shooting out between the distributor and the gasket. So looking at it, the gasket was coming off in pieces. So I have new, they're called profile gaskets, and there's supposed to be like a black coating on them, and that's gone. So I have a feeling I wasn't getting enough oil to the Vanos unit when it was idling. So I'm going to put those new gaskets on, and then I got, one for each side, and I'm going to probably take the cams out again just to double check my valves and make sure I don't have a valve stuck open, or check the lifters, make sure I don't have a valve stuck open. But I think that may have been the problem. I don't know if you can see the difference in the gasket, but all that lining is gone all around where the distributor goes around the top cam, or the intake cam, and that's where I saw the oil coming out compared to the old or the new gasket. So I have a feeling I just wasn't getting enough oil pressure into the Vanos unit when it was idling. And I'm not sure why I didn't replace those when I did this the first time. Live and learn. All right guys, so I got it all back together. I got the profile gaskets on both Vanos distributors replaced. I got the timing set. I put it all back together, and right now is going to be our moment of truth 2, since we already did it once and I couldn't get the ticking sound gone. So hopefully this takes care of it. don't know, I guess it's just gonna have a tick. Unless the Vanos unit's gone out. Hasn't thrown any codes, even with the Chinese timing kit. I mean, the idle's great. No smoking at the exhaust. And I hear the injectors clicking. New chain tensioner. New timing chain guides, gaskets, seals, O-rings. And then those oil distributor profile gaskets. I don't know, folks. Maybe y'all can help me out. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time, 73.